In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having an issue with your MacBook Air M2 Bluetooth not working properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would just be to restart your device. So you'd select your Apple icon up in the menu bar and then just restart and then see if that resolves the problem. Something else we can try here as well would be to select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select Bluetooth, and then on the right side, you want to toggle the Bluetooth option on and make sure pairing is enabled on your device that you're trying to connect it to. Make sure the device battery has enough power as well, which can also cause connection problems, so make sure your laptop is plugged in and charging, and that also goes for the other device you're attempting to connect. And then finally, if all else fails, you can come back into the screen here and just basically forget and then repair the device. So you would locate your device list under here and you'd select the little information icon next to it and select forget this device, and then just give it a moment or maybe restart the device as well as your computer and then come back in here, and then hopefully then you can repair it, make sure pairing is enabled on that secondary device, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.